Hi everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we were building a tool that turns any text you type into a handwritten style image using Python and Streamlit. Why? Because sometimes a handwritten looks feels more personal, more creative, or just more fun. You can use this to print notes, generate assignments, or even make gift letters. The best part, it's fully customizable. You can change the font style, font size, and the color of the ink. And yes, it's designed to fit on A4 paper. So you can download and print it directly. No fancy API, just clean Python logic using Pillow library. Let's build this together step by step. Before starting, let's make sure you have installed the necessary libraries. We only need two: Streamlit for building the web UI and Pillow, that's the PIL library for working with images and fonts. So open your terminal and run pip install Streamlit Pillow. Alright, we start by importing the necessary libraries. Streamlit is what we use to create our web app. It handles the UI, buttons, sliders, and file uploads. Next, we import Pillow, specifically image draw, and image font, which let us create and manipulate image, draw on them, and load custom fonts. Finally, we use IO to handle in-memory files. This helps us store and download the image without saving it locally. This sets the title of our app. We were calling it Handwriting Generator, and I have added a little pen emoji to make it visually fun and engaging. This title appears right at the top of the web page. Here's the interactive part. The text underscore area lets the user type or paste the content they want to convert. Then comes file underscore uploader, which allows uploading a custom font. We support .ttf format, the most common for TrueType fonts. The slider gives control over the font size from 20 to 100 pixels. Finally, the color underscore picker lets users select the pen color. By default, it's black. This block is triggered when the user clicks the Generate Image button. Before doing anything, we check if the text box is empty. If it is, we show a warning to remind the user to enter some text. If the text is valid, we create a new image using Pillow. We were using an A4 sheet size 1240 by 1754 pixel, assuming 150 dpi, which works well for print. We make it white like a blank page. Then we initialize draw so we can write text on this image. Now comes font handling. If the user uploaded a font file, we load that with the chosen size. Otherwise, we fall back to a default system font, Arial.ttf. This ensures the tool still works even if no font is uploaded. We wrap the font loading in a try except block, just in case the font is corrupt or unreadable. If everything is fine, we draw the text on the image starting at 100,100 pixel from the top left. Then we use io.bytes.io function to save this image in memory. No need to write to disk. We save it as a PNG. Finally, we show the image in the Streamlit app and we give users a button to download it. The image is named handwritten_text.png and they can print or share it instantly. To get your own handwriting style font, just head over to fonts.google.com. Search for handwriting and download a .ttf file. You can also explore sites like dafont.com for more creative styles. Once downloaded, upload the .ttf file here and boom, your custom handwriting comes to life. Now it's time to bring our app to life. I will run the Streamlit command, Streamlit run app.py. This will open up a clean UI where I can input any text, upload a handwriting style font, choose the pen color and size, and boom, we get a beautiful handwritten image. Let's test it with a motivational quote. I'm using one of my custom TTF fonts. Let's pick a calm blue color and keep the font size around 40. Hit the generate image button and there's it. Your typed content now converted into a beautiful handwritten style image on an A4 sized page. Perfect for project submission, digital notes, or just impress your friend. Let's now paste a longer paragraph. This helps check spacing, alignment, and how natural the handwritten output looks. You will see how it holds line breaks and keeps the flow across a larger portion of the A4 layout. Turn your words into personalized art. Try it, share it, and let your creativity flow. One handwritten image at a time. Don't forget all fonts used for free and downloadable from Google Fonts or fontsquare.com.